check this out, guys. This is an investigation report that came back for our customer from Equifax. And the highlighted sections are what has been deleted. I think the most important one would be the Chase mortgage down there. And Chase is really tough to work with. Okay. So tax attorneys, if you're a tax attorney, can you let us know how difficult it is to remove a charge off? Because Chase won't remove it. They won't. And if you think I'm BSing, there is case study and evidence and data to support this. And Chase is really difficult. And those that do credit repair would understand this. There is another judgment up here at the top. If you look at the top, there's a judgment, and that was removed. There were two judgments there. And yeah, just go ahead and look at that judgment, and the rest are collections, I believe. Card works, don't know really what that is. Like I said, this is a real report. You can see this is a PDF. This is a PDF. It's a real document. It's, you know, everything is on here. Yep. I'm trying not to show the person's name, because this person does not want me to show his name, but he won't mind sharing the credit report. So there it is, guys. That's the proof. Report. The highlighted section is what has been deleted. Capital One. Okay. And this is the Experian credit report. Lafayette Justice, that would be the judgment. It was deleted. Washco Justice Court. Those are the judgments. So this is the Experian report, and the other one was the Equifax report. And you could see the status of the other accounts: updated, processed, deleted, LVN funding, which is a collection agency. The ones that are updated are still in the dispute process. Updated is ambiguous when we look at this report.